My great-grandparents started this farm. They were more traditional farmers like cows, chickens, horses, and crops. They eventually left the farm to my grandparents, who converted it into a tree farm. You will not get rich farming pine trees because it takes about 25 years for the trees to mature, and there are all sorts of threats like droughts and pests. It is, however, a good way to make a little money as well as get to enjoy the land. I love being able to ride the four-wheeler around the property to see how everything is doing. My grandfather always took us on tractor rides to different parts of the property to show us the natural attractions. Every tractor ride ended up at our family cemetery so we could pay respects to our ancestors. Some of my favorite childhood memories are on this property. It gives us a place to connect with aunts, uncles, cousins, nieces, and nephews. Most of us live in the city, so it's been a blessing to be able to go out into the country and do country things like shoot fireworks, have bonfires, fish, or just enjoy nature. When I'm at the farm, I sometimes think about the future too much, which takes away from me being able to enjoy the moment. But from now on, I'm not going to worry about the future. I'm just going to be present and grateful that I've had this opportunity my entire life. My parents currently manage the farm for the family until the next generation takes over. You can see they have their hands full keeping up with a massive yard that is basically 3 pastures. There's a ton of grass to cut, but I think they enjoy it. It only takes about 6 hours per week in the spring and summer. From what I hear, my brother Thayer helps out a lot too. This video was taken at the end of January, so it's the middle of winter right now. All the grass and hardwoods look dead this time of year, so make sure to subscribe to see what this place looks like in the spring when everything starts to sprout. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed flying the drone around checking out all the different pine stands. I tried using the auto tracking feature on my drone before, but I've never followed the car manually. I was surprised just how fast and capable this drone is. If you haven't flown a drone before, I suggest trying it. It's almost like you're actually up there flying. It's a bit of a rush. If you're curious about the drone I use, it is the DJI Mavic Air 2. It's not the newest or the best, but it can do more than I need it to. Check out the link below if you want to see the specs. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section and I'll be sure to respond.